What's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. I'm going to do a Rune video. It's been a long time since I've done Rune. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. So do not blindly follow anything I say or do. Guys, if you like the channel, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, the notifications button to be notified of the videos that I post. I really appreciate that. That helps me actually with the YouTube algorithms, and it allows YouTube to push my content because it knows that other people actually enjoy it. So that does help me out. So make sure you guys hit the like button and all that fun stuff. All right, guys. So this is not going to be a high time frame macro video. I'm just kind of looking at the first impulse structure here of what I anticipate, and then I'm going to dive into the weeds on how I anticipate that to unfold. So for those of you guys who don't know, Rune is one of my favorite altcoins. It's been one of my favorite altcoins since I bought it under 10 cents back in the last cycle. And now I believe we are bottoming or have bottomed and are impulsive upwards and ready to start our next cycle upwards. So that corrective structure as this ABC, funky ABC structure here, which puts our bottom in down at about $1, just a shy over 99 cents, $1 and 3 fractions of a penny. So I believe that this first wave structure is going to take us up to about 467. Price is currently at $1.58. So we have a lot of room to run, in my opinion, on this current structure here. So let's just hop into the weeds a little bit so I can show you how I have this thing playing out. So first we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here to put in a one wave, to put in a complete impulsive structure off of the low, which in my opinion is a sign of a trend reversal and the beginning of the next cycle upwards and the transitioning in between a bear market to a bull market. So that's what this analysis in this video is 100% based upon. If that turns out to be incorrect and this price decides to just go like this, then obviously this analysis goes out the window and I will look foolish for sharing it. No, I won't, because I really don't care. But anyways, so here we go. Like I said, we've got this first impulse up, which puts our one wave in. We have an A, B, C, very deep two wave. For a little education, most of the times, two wave structures retrace 618 to 786. 786 being a very deep side of it. 887 is happens occasionally in crypto because crypto likes to put in deep twos because of the emotional nature of people trading crypto. So the fear sometimes can push us down to 887, but typically I do not like to see it go below 786, which this one just stopped a hair shy of 786 before it put in its two wave. And then right off of that low, it began an impulse again. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive structure, indicating that the trend is now up. Impulsive waves move in the direction of the trend. So that indicates to me the direction of the trend is up. This green box is where I had charted in my Discord here. We'll just go in there real quick. Where's my Rune at? Sorry, guys, I was not going to do this, but I might as well. So back here, we had been talking about this target down in this green box, which is where we ended up wicking into. We got close to my little red line, as you can see here, but it did not hit it, which is okay, because we learned to DCA into these things in my green box if you are looking for a swing trade. Obviously, a leverage trade is a little bit different, but if you're looking for a swing trade, I have these boxes here as averaging in zones or areas of interest. So from there, we ended up bottoming. We have put an impulsive in, and we are in the heart of a three-way structure, which means for the most part, we might not get really any pullbacks to speak of, significant pullbacks. I mean, we will get pullbacks. You always get pullbacks. But what I'm talking about is we likely will not see a pullback that is 15%. Maybe we'll get a pullback of 3 or 4 or 5%, but I don't think we're going to get any significant pullbacks. And what's going to fuel this rally are the people that realize that and start to buy in and FOMO. So my micro 3 up here is at $1.95, and then we should have a 4-wave retrace and then a 5th wave at 215 to put in our larger degree 1 wave. I'm sorry, it's not really our larger degree 1 wave. It's our micro 1, then you'll have a 2, and then a 3, 4, 5 to put in that structure there. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up to 467 before you have your 2-wave retrace down. And as I just said here, 2 waves typically retrace deep in crypto. So I would anticipate, just assuming, let's say for fun, this is exactly where we top, I would assume we get a deep 2-wave down into anywhere from $1.37 all the way up to $2.15 or so. That's a little ways off, so I will keep these videos updated as price unfolds, and you guys can follow me on my Twitter as well. See y'all later.